how to start a new channel if you already have one on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Let's jump right into it. So if you're in YouTube Studio, just go over here to your portrait, or there'll be a letter here if you haven't picked like a portrait, and then go down to your channel. This is what I always forget. I always forget that you can't do this from the studio, and you have to be in the your channel thing. And right here, if you click on this again, then you go down to settings, and that's where I get screwed up all the time. So here, right here, it says add or manage your channels. So go ahead and click on that, and you can see I've had many channel ideas, few of which have worked. If you subscribe to this channel, I'd really appreciate that. That helps me a lot. Also, I apologize for any artifacts around the screen. I'm using a screen recorder software since I might be changing windows here. Anyway, go up here to create a channel, and then you can talk about the name of the channel. So please don't steal my channel idea, nobody's probably going to watch this channel anyway, so I'm just going to do it. I don't want to jinx myself, but you know, come on. So go ahead and type anything up to 100 characters. I highly recommend that you use as few characters as possible. I went with Pittsburgh Pat as my most popular channel right now, and honestly, it's too many letters. It's hard to put on hats and t-shirts and things like that if you're ever going to get to that point. All right, click this box and then hit create, and that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to know how to customize this channel, you know, look out, you can do that, and I'll tell you how to do that. If you don't know how to upload videos to the channel, that's cool too. I'll help you with that. So here, click down, go to YouTube Studio, and this is where you're usually going to be working from. But if you're already on YouTube, you probably already know that. So this is going to give you some kind of like, you know, like guide or whatever. Anyway, I guess this is pretty much all you need to know. So have a great day. Smash a like for me. It helps me a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead and ask questions. Maybe I'll make a whole bunch of these videos. Take care.